Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic muscle cars of the late 60s, the 1968 Pontiac GTO Convertible. A true symbol of American performance, raw style, and drop-top cruising. Let's take a ride. Exterior. 1968 was a big year for Pontiac. The GTO received a full redesign, marking the beginning of the second generation. The most striking change. The Endura front bumper, a color-matched urethane bumper that blended seamlessly into the body. It was tough, impact-resistant, and way ahead of its time. Optional hidden headlights gave the front end a smooth, menacing look, while the prominent dual-hood scoops hinted at the power underneath. From the side, you get those classic Coke bottle curves, aggressive but elegant. And this being the convertible model, it's made for top-down cruising. The soft top folds back with the push of a button, making it ideal for summer drives. Out back, you'll find simple horizontal taillights and dual exhausts tucked under a shiny chrome bumper. Classic muscle. Interior. Inside, the GTO was all about business, but with a touch of flair. The bucket seats were supportive and stylish, especially when finished in optional parchment white or red vinyl. Wood grain trim on the dash and center console gave it a premium feel. And check out that Hurst dual gate, his and hers shifter, allowing for both automatic and manual style shifting. That was high-tech in '68. The rally gauges are clean and easy to read, with a big tack front and center. And yes, an 8-track player was optional. Just in case you wanted to blast some Creedence or Hendrix while burning rubber. Now let's talk power, because that's what the GTO is really about. Performance. Under the hood, the base engine was a 400 cubic inch V8, pumping out 350 horsepower and 445 pound-feet of torque. But if that wasn't enough, you could opt for the Ram Air 2 package, boosting performance even further with high-flow heads, a hotter camshaft, and functional hood scoops. 0 to 60. Around 6.5 seconds, which was scorching for 1968. Quarter-mile times dipped into the low 14s. And the sound. Pure Detroit thunder. Pontiac offered heavy-duty suspension, power disc brakes, and even a limited-slip rear differential. While it's no canyon carver, the GTO handled surprisingly well for a muscle convertible, and looked good doing it. The 1968 Pontiac GTO Convertible is more than just a muscle car. It's a symbol of a golden era, when style met speed, and every stoplight was a potential drag race. With its head-turning design, drop-top freedom, and pavement-ripping performance, the '68 GTO earns its spot as one of the greats in American automotive history. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car content, and drop a comment. What's your favorite year?